It looks very rough. It's a leader was for imagine. How about I'll give you $0 for it? We are back with the 2002 quad bike. This one, single wheel drive, electrical bike. Originally, this was powered by a 6-volt lead acid battery. The seller said it was used by his kids, but then they lost interest and it just sat in the garage. They used for 5 years. Seller said, come grab it. Looks like a mouse nest. Oh my gosh, a mouse came out. That's the biggest mouse I've seen. Let's check the battery. That's so good. It's crazy. What the heck? Ah, there's a problem. The battery's not connected. That should be good. Should be fixed now. Give it a taste. Let's put the seats back on. It's time to go to the lid and taste this cool boy. We fixed the cobra. We are out.